Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever your timeline is. My timeline is morning. So as you can see, it's raining. Yeah, it's raining. Sometimes rain can interrupt my video or videos. And this is my room where I make my video. Yeah, a quiet place. This is the only quiet place I found. But yeah. And don't you know, this is actually a small second floor, but our first floor is just a little bit big. Yeah. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining. So, yeah. That's raining. I'm gonna prove it to you that it's raining. See? So it's raining. In the time of Philippines, they call it habagat. Yeah, habagat. In Tagalog, hangin habagat. Yan ang nagpapanog na ulan. Or in English, that I forgot. I now speak English much. Sorry, I don't speak English much. So it's just a quick review that sometimes I can't make videos because of rain. So bye.